Words are powerful, and as we've seen in recent times, words matter. In fact, words shape your life, your results, and your income. In online marketing, affiliate marketing, there are certain words or terms you need to know. And these terms help you understand what's important to your business and your results. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 6 words or terms that I think you need to know to understand your business and understand how to improve your results. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. So today's video is all about giving you some detail on some terms that can be misunderstood or terms that people are using in the online space, and I believe if you understand them, you can improve your results. These are terms that I wish I knew more about when I first started. I know it would have made a difference and would have helped a whole lot. Now, before I give you the 6 terms, make sure you hit that subscribe button to ensure you keep getting my free training videos. Okay, so what are the 6 terms you need to know in 2021 and beyond? The first term is a big one if you're going to be spending any money on social media platforms, their ad platforms. It's called CBO, or Campaign Budget Optimization. Now, this is something that Facebook changed in 2020, where they moved the budget optimization from the ad set level to the campaign level. What it does is it automatically manages your campaign budget across all your ad sets that sit within your campaign to get you the overall best results. And when you use CBO, Facebook will divide your campaign ad budget across all the ad sets within the campaign, and over time will bias the ad set that performs the best. Now, this is a really effective tool for testing and allows you to be a little more hands-off when managing your ads. You can let the algorithm do the testing within the different ad sets to tell you which is performing the best. Pretty cool, right? The second term that you should become familiar with is dynamic ads. These have been around a while, but it seems the term is being used more regularly in recent times by some of the gurus. It's simply adding more creative assets to an ad set, like say 10 different images or multiple videos. And what the social platforms will do is test them all out using everything they know about us, like the 50,000 data points, and use that data to determine which creative asset with which ad is working the best, and then bias allocation of your budget to those combinations. It's a really cool addition to your testing to give you multiple options to determine which style of ad will get you the best results. Now, the third term is content marketing. Now, this is not new or exciting or overly difficult to understand. This is where you use things like the boost post function to get your content in front of more people. Now, as you probably know, Facebook only shows your content to about 5% to maybe 10% of your audience. So one of the ways to improve the reach of your content, your posts, is to boost your post. You can spend as little as say $5 per day to dramatically increase the reach of your content and get in front of more people. And once you're in front of more people and getting more engagement, you can use the retargeting function to put more content in front of people who have engaged with your content. This is a really powerful and cheap way to increase the reach of your content and ultimately your sales messages. And this is a method that's really starting to gain popularity in getting more buyers into your world. If you can give them value with your content and get some engagement, warm them up a little and use retargeting, you'll get more buyers. It's just a matter of time and the amount of dollars you invest into your content marketing strategy. The fourth term I'm hearing more of lately is top of funnel, or TOFL. Now, if you've been in marketing, whether online or offline, for any length of time, you'll be aware of the phases of a lead. You know what I mean? First is awareness, then there's interest, then decision, and finally action. It works like any funnel as you move people from one phase to the next. Well, top of funnel is all about the first phase, the awareness phase. This is where you're introducing people to you and your business, hopefully with the content marketing strategy that we just talked about. The whole idea is to get people into your funnel, and it starts at the awareness phase. So don't be misled or confused by this top of funnel talk. It just means the awareness phase of your funnel, your content marketing strategy. Nothing more, nothing less. The fifth term is one that I really do wish I knew more about a long time ago, and that is UTM Parameters. UTM Parameters are tags you can add to the end of your URLs that allows analytics software to track information. Simply put, it tracks the URL to help you identify where your traffic's come from. So if you're using different traffic sources to one sales page or opt-in page, you can use different UTM parameters for each traffic source. This way you can see which one's working best and make a decision on where to increase your time and your ad spend. Now this is something that I didn't do for a long time, so I had no idea what traffic was actually working or where my leads were coming from. And this makes it very difficult to scale your business because you're simply guessing on what's working. UTM parameters take the guesswork out of your business and enable you to analyse the data to see exactly what's working, including your desktop versus mobile, the actual data source, whether it's Facebook ad, or a Facebook ad, or whether it's a blog post or a banner ad. The data tells the story. Now, Google Analytics has used these for years, and you can now also link tracking tools that provide you with unique links to track the data and use of the link. I'll leave a link in the description to a tracking tool that I use, which is great for this purpose. Now the final term is data enrichment and cleaning. Now this is a simple concept and relates to cleaning your email list to enrich the value of the data that's within your email list. Now if you've used different sources to grow your email list, it's going to have different levels of quality within the list. And that is, some of the emails are going to be great for your purposes. And let's face it, some are going to be a waste of your time. So you want to do regular cleaning of your email list to remove those that aren't opening your emails. And the reason you want to do this, aside from improving your email deliverability, is that you want to be using good data when you start doing retargeting strategies. If your list is cluttered with some bad emails, when you start doing retargeting, you'll create a retargeting list that is also based on these bad emails. So the key is to remove them from your list on a regular basis so that you're always creating retargeting audiences based on good data. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you a better understanding of 6 of the online marketing terms that I think are highly useful to know and helpful in making incremental improvements to your business and therefore your results. So let's do a quick recap of the 6 online marketing terms of importance in 2021 and beyond. And first up was campaign budget optimization. Second was dynamic ads. Third is content marketing. Fourth is top of funnel. 5 is UTM parameters, and 6 was data enrichment and cleaning. And as I mentioned at the beginning, these are the terms that I wish I'd known more about when I first got started, and I wish I'd been able to implement to make my journey a whole lot easier. And if you're looking to get started in the online marketing world and want to get one-on-one support without the massive price tag, then click the link in the description, and not only will you be able to join the best training for online marketers, new or existing, for just $100, but you also get an incredible bundle of bonuses that are yours for life to help build your business and get you 30 days of one-on-one support from me to help guide you through the training and the process of setting up your business in the first 30 days and earning an income as well. So thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to get access to the best online marketing training course to get you started. Click the link in the description and let's scale your business in the next 30 days. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to get started with online marketing. Click the link in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days.